Hey, welcome back to OTCC TV with your girl Shima. It has been quite a few weeks since we have done one of these, but nevertheless, we do have a nice outlook that we wanted to get into. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you all see in the gold chart as well, and let's just go ahead and hop into this. We are going to start with our monthly as we usually do. As you can see, it is clearly bullish here. It is a nice push out of this parallel channel. We have that candle, that green candle. I know I circled both, but that green bullish candle, as you can see, broke out of this downtrend channel that we were in, kind of like a bullish flag, as if you could see it that way, as we had the flagpole here, and then we had the price pulling down, and boom, we shot out. Price pulled back just to this level of a support, and then now we're pushing back up. It is also a nice, I believe this is a shooting star candle. Don't quote me, I have to really check into it, but or is it a hammer? They're kind of similar, whatever the case. That is a continuation candlestick here on the monthly. However, we notice we have 4 days left in the month. There is some news coming out next week, so be cautious as we trade, as we could get some pullback. We could get some indecisiveness from the traders as well. So just pay attention to that. Also, we're entering into some of these resistance area here on the monthly. We need to cross that 2010 to clear us for more of this upside. And price currently is closed at 2001 based on this chart. I've seen on other charts it says 2002, but whatever the case, we've closed in that area just beneath the wick of the prior candle, which is where I got this 2009. So I said 2010, but you know, once you zoom in, you can get more accurate. But the wick of this prior monthly candle is around 2009. So crossing that, then yes, we could potentially see some more of this upside. But again, this is still the monthly. So let's drill down over to our weekly. All right, here on our weekly chart, we are also bullish as well. Price is holding above this MA. We have, again, come out of that parallel channel. Price pushed up, we pulled back to the MA and then pushed up some more to where we created sort of a resistance here. Price pulled back, it shot to that area, and now we're sitting at that point again of trying to break out of this 2001, 2002 area. Once we cross that, then again we can see some more upside, right? But again, this is here on the weekly. As I say, it is bullish as well. Let me zoom in just a little bit further to see. Yeah, now we can see. As you can see, I have those zones kind of marked out. This 1999 to 2007. So again, crossing this, that's exactly where the line is. Okay, so it is 2009-38, it looks like. Crossing that area, we could see further upside. And then of course, this 2007, we would need to cross that, which was last week's high, 2007. So crossing that area, again, this is our, pretty much this whole zone here from 2001. That is our resistance that we are currently sitting at. And I would say all the way up to 2006, 2007 is our resistance. So crossing that, we could see potentially further upside. Again, also keep in mind, as I already mentioned, this strong support right here that price has fallen, pulled back to, and pushed out of. So that's another good thing to keep in mind as far as moving forward. Price will always do what it wants, so be prepared for any, again, pullbacks as well. But let's get on to the daily. All right, here on the daily, we are also bullish. I will also add a trend line here just to keep an eye on price pulling back, falling beneath the trend line to give us potentially a double top here. So let's be mindful of that. We I would personally like to see price push out, but again, price could hit here and then pull back, right? And then that would give us a double top situation here where price would potentially visit this area again. As we know, trading is in probability, so we want to be mindful of all of that. I'll also throw in, like I said, a trend line for us just to keep an eye on things. I'm sure I have it in another chart, but this is the trend line we are currently following, so to speak. So as you see, we're holding that MA, we're holding this trend line. So let's see how far price could actually push to this upside before potential pullback, or again breaking this trend line, right? So we can either break this trend line and pull back beneath it, or we could push up from this zone, this area. Prices seem to hold it very well in the other time zones, and then also, like we're saying, this is we've been bullish on all the higher time frames. So when you go to trade the intraday, though, be sure to drill down to the lower time frames. Check out the 12-hour, the 4-hour, 1 hour, and see what you see as far as, you know, for potential trades during intraday. But overall, everything looks pretty bullish. Monthly, weekly, and daily are all aligned with being pretty bullish. Again, be mindful of either a double top appearing here or us just zooming past this zone. So we do look at the economic calendar. I like to use investing.com so you can see the news that's coming up this week, so you can be prepared for any potentially high impacting red folder news. And y'all, that's what I got for you. So looking forward to seeing how this week plays out. Stay blessed, stay determined, stay focused, and let's keep trading. All right, peace.